Hello everyone, I am Kratika Tandon from class 9 Creators. I am present before you to update you with the current events held in the Bal Vidya Mandir premises. Ms. Shalini Bindra, HOD of Science of Bal Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School, Sambal is honoured as an ATL Exemplary Teachers of Change 2023-24 by Atal Innovation Mission AIM under Government Niti Aayog, Government of India. The honor is the way of recognizing the outstanding work done by Ms. Shalini Bindra for students, community and adult thinking lab itself over time. A total of 85 teachers in all over India have been honored with the title. Out of 85, 9 teachers are from Uttar Pradesh. Once again, Bal Vidya Mandir has proved its matter in the districts by standing tall amongst all schools. Bal Vidya Mandir is leaving no stone unturned in integrating technology in teaching learning processes as per new education policy 2020. The annual school magazine 2023-24 was unveiled by Honorable Manager Shri Harish Chandra in the presence of Mr. Manish Pawar, Principal and other members of the editorial system. The school magazines were handed over to the district magistrate and superintendent of police Sambhal. Both DM and SP appreciated the efforts of using artificial intelligence AI in the magazine. High quality images are generated by AI tools have been incorporated in the magazine. The various articles reflect the role of technology in education and holistic development of students A brainstorming session was conducted by school management for the staff members to apprise them of the various initiatives to be undertaken in session 2024-25. The upcoming session will be the year of transformation in terms of professional development of teachers, integration of technology, teaching methodology, and holistic development of students. Honorable Manager Mr. Harish Chandra, Mr. Amitabh Garg, and Mr. Manish Pawar shared their visions of transformational shift in teaching learning process. Many teachers shared their views and promised to go an extra mile to realize the vision of the management. Principal Mr. Manish Pawar communicated with parents and students and told them about the initiatives being taken for the new session 2024-25. This session is going to be so wondrous and technology integrated with many new things like interactive flat panels, many clubs and activities, fruit break for all the students, library and PHE period for all. Annual report card distribution ceremony for the session 2023-24 was organized on 20th March in BVM. All the meritorious students were felicitated in school auditorium. Certificates for 100% attendance, hobby club champions were given. Heartless congratulations to all the students and parents for excellent result of their wards. We wish good health and bright future for all students. That's all for today. Let's meet soon with more updates. Till soon, sayonara.